man talk say a stitch in time saves 9. Also known as anything where you quick take care of, it will give you kasala for future. Welcome to your Health Corner on Top Good Morning NAIJA show, where me, myself, and I, your one and only Dr. Adora, they summer you with all the better information you need to make your body day very, very, very simpelicious. Yes, we don't yarn you concerning this arthritis. I don't give you different facts, different things concerning the matter. I don't tell you waiting it be. I don't even tell you some kind of limitations where some people will get this arthritis, they suffer. Well, like I promised you yesterday, today, what I want to talk about, it concerns what they call the risk factors. That now the things, get some kind certain things, factors, where if you just day, where you feel get some kind of things where surround you, where they around you, where if you make the risk of which they catch this arthritis, make it for day very, very high. Some of these risk factors, they modifiable. I want to say their feet just change, while some others, they not fit change them at all. The one where they not fit change at all, one of them now age. The risk of developing most types of this arthritis, they increase with age. Depend as a person they old, they very, very likely say, person if you get this arthritis if you not do the right things on time. Another one, now gender. That now whether person a man or a woman or na both of them. The way this world don't be now, we don't know who be man or woman these days. But most types of this arthritis, they more common inside women. 60% of all people with arthritis now women. And gout, where I go explain, give you later, they're more common in men than women. This is now another type of arthritis. Then another one now, genetics. Some specific genes where they our body, they associated with a higher risk of certain types of arthritis. Things like the rheumatoid arthritis, the one where some people, or people they suffer this one where systemic lupus erythematosus, make I not chop my mouth, and ankylosing spondylitis. Well, you get some kind genes where some people get for their body where you not get as you want bio, unless now God help you, that person will get this kind of arthritis then. Then the modifiable risk factors, that's now the ones where you fit change by yourself. One of them, now overweight and obesity, that now person way too big. If you get excess weight, this one fit contribute to both the time where this arthritis fit start for your body and as the thing will take develop, especially the one where they call knee osteoarthritis. Then some people that they get joint injuries, that now say they fit just do waka kurukere, or they fit fall down, or they fit get accident where will cause damage to any joint for their body, we go fit contribute to the development of this osteoarthritis for inside the joint. Another one now infection. You know say this infection matter not be here. You get plenty jagbajantis agents them where fit cause infection inside our joints. And once that infection don't stand up for there, that one fit go cause development of different types of arthritis, because arthritis now inflammation of the joint. Then depending on the kind of work where person they do, you get different kind of occupation then where involve repetitive knee bending. That now for your work, you will bend your knee where, or you feel they squat, and anything will go just they make your knee sharp. They do you overly exercise your knee, like maybe if you be gym instructor or you they carry weights or any of these things. All this one, people like that fit they very, very open to osteoarthritis of the knee. Yes. Then you get some kind sicknesses then. We fit tanda with arthritis. You get one kind of ogbonge association where they call CDC, and then they report say like 47% of adults with arthritis also have at least one of these comorbid conditions, that now the presence of more than one disease or condition inside the same person at the same time. Among people with this arthritis, the most common disease we feel day with that arthritis now heart disease, and this one they talk say that 24%, that now 11.2 million people. Another one now chronic respiratory conditions, that now anything where they affect you, the way where you they breathe in or you they breathe out, anything where they share your lungs, all of them, all this one they talk say like 19%, that now 9 million. On top that one, people feel get diabetes. On top that one, they feel get stroke. Other risk factors still there, but time don't reach where I go waka again. I just say go talk to Dr. Adora. You know they finish it, you will soon go. No worry, I go they give you small, make you for learn the matter very well. So I go see you again tomorrow. This is still your health corner, and I'll check out date and that for studio for Good Morning NAIJA show to give you better gist on top different matters. I go see you tomorrow.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.